Today we're in Wishaw visiting the home of Mr. and Mrs. Kennedy, a bright, welcoming property that has recently been enhanced thanks to the transformation of new Lorimer windows and doors. The Kennedys wanted to refresh the home with windows that would elevate its appearance, improve energy efficiency and bring in more natural light. Their new white UPVC windows have done just that, creating a sense of warmth and comfort throughout the property.
We've had some work done in the house. We had the kitchen done and we felt the living room was getting pretty dated, and the windows that we had previously were about 40 years old, so we were getting drafts and things like that, so we decided to do the windows as well. And I feel that the windows actually help to show that it has been modernised.
Inside, the difference is remarkable. Changing from old aluminium windows with small hoppers to large side fixed casements allows daylight to flood in, making each room feel more open and inviting. Upstairs, the windows have been fitted with egress hinges to comply with cleaning and fire escape requirements under Scottish building regulations. From the outside, the design enhances the home's character. The proportions of each window create a sense of uniformity and style that complements the property beautifully. Every detail has been crafted with precision, combining modern design with lasting performance.
The salesman that came out, you felt as if you had a friend in the house. This was somebody that you'd known for years. He was totally honest with us. Your windows were actually slightly more expensive than the other quotes that we had, but I just didn't feel confident in the other people. I actually commented on the way they finished the inside of the windows as well. Everything from the salesman to the installers to the painters, absolutely no problem with anybody whatsoever. Everything was perfect.
Finished with graphite handles, every detail has been thoughtfully chosen to complement the home's modern grey interiors. Beyond aesthetics, the upgrade to UPVC has made a notable difference to everyday living. The new windows offer excellent thermal efficiency and minimal maintenance, helping keep the home comfortable all year round.
There's a big improvement in the standard of heat in the house. We can turn the heating down, so it's obviously bringing the bills down as well.
For Mr. and Mrs. Kennedy, the new Lorimer windows have brought a real sense of freshness and modern comfort to their home. A beautiful transformation that shows how the right design can truly enhance everyday living.
We deferred the payment for a year, and that allowed us to spend quite a substantial amount on the other parts of the house, and get the windows in at the same time.
If you're ready to transform your home with Scotland's leading windows, head over to our website or YouTube channel for more information.